Kailan ba pwede magpag-ibig MPL? Reloan? Answer, based po sa research natin friends and alam natin sa pag-ibig MPL, ang loan or renewal po nito is 6 months po from date of your loan approval. And may 6 months payment tayo. Yan po ang qualification o requirement ni pag-ibig para maka-reloan tayo sa pag-ibig MPL. Of course, less loan balance yan kasi po 2 years to pay po yung MPL, right? Or 3 years to pay. So kung may 6 months payment ka, pwede ka naka-reloan, but yung loan process po ninyo, sa new loan ninyo, may deduction po yan na loan balance sa previous loan. Alright? Keep watching my YouTube channel. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.